Guys, when a celeb died, that person trending too much, like Zahara. Zahara last year, she was trending too much just because she was dead most of the times. And people, they were lying nowadays, mostly bloggers, they were lying that person is dead, like Cindy Swahlatu. They were lying just because they want that person to trend. Guys, if you don't have content, just post something. Just post yourself sometimes. You don't have content. You are lying that Cindy Swahlatu, she got accident. Guys, don't speak lies in social media just because you want more comments or more engagement to people. You are, guys, most of bloggers, they target that a celeb dead, like Connie Chume dead. When she dead, she was trending, and it's obvious a celebrity dead, she is that person was trending too much. But don't talk lies to people. You are saying that person, she got accident. Cindy Swahlatu, she got accident. Guys, don't lie that a person, that about other people, about the death of a person. Don't do that. You want Cindy Swahlatu to be dead. Okay, when she dead, you want to, what do you want to do? You want to Cindy Swahlatu to trend that she is dead. And most of the people, they want celebrities to be dead just because they want them to trend. And they know that when a person died, when that he is a public figure or she is a public figure, that person can trend too much most of the times.